In this video, I am going to show you how we can create custom list in Excel. So what is custom list? Custom list, as the name tells you, that we can type our own list. But first of all, I will tell you, in Excel there is a custom list by default. So if you type any month name, like I type January, and I drag this using the fill handle. So Excel automatically populate this list. So if I type quarter one, so if I drag here, so it will automatically pop up quarter four. So this is the uh, custom list that is already populated in Excel, but we can also create our own list. So if I type my example, my name, my name is. So if I want to create a custom list out of that, so first of all, you go to File and click on Options and click on Advanced. In Advanced, you will find here Edit Custom List option in the General area. So click on Add Custom because I have already selected, so it is shown here. Uh, I need to just import it. So next time, uh, I edit my first letter, that is my, and if I drag from here using the fill handle, the list automatically pops up. So this is how we can create our custom list. Thanks for all.